Howdy! My old guide for installing Lua scripts to Kingdom Hearts is now outdated. Here's a new one. I'll show you how to do it on Steam or Epic Games. First of all, we'll want to install LuaBackend. Click the first link in the description. It should take you straight here. And then you'll want to download dbghelp.zip. Once that file is downloaded, go to your downloads and extract it. Go into the extracted folder. If you're on Epic Games, you can ignore this next step. If you're on Steam, you'll need to open this LuaBackend.toml in Notepad. And you'll see it's divided into 5 separate sections. In each section, there are these 2 lines, game docs and hash game docs. Essentially, we want to swap which one has the hash in front. So we'll go hash space, go down to, get rid of hash space. In the next section, hash space, go down to, get rid of hash space. Essentially, we're just swapping which line gets ignored. Now that that's done, you can save that. Now we want to navigate to where Kingdom Hearts is installed. If you're on Steam, just go to your library, right-click it, manage, browse local files. On Epic, it's very similar. Click these 3 dots, click manage, and then click on the folder icon next to uninstall. Now you just want to take those 3 files that you downloaded, put them in the install directory for Kingdom Hearts. LuaBackend is now installed. Now we need to create the folders where the Lua scripts are actually stored. So go to your documents folder. If you're on Epic, you'll see Kingdom Hearts HD 1.5 2.5 Remix in here. This is where you want to go. If you're on Steam, you want to click on My Games, and then Kingdom Hearts HD 1.5 2.5 Remix, and you should see this folder. The instructions from here are exactly the same on either end. The files are just stored in a different location. So now that you're in here, create a new folder and call it scripts. Inside the scripts folder, you'll want to make a folder for each game. So KH1, KH2, BBS, and Recom. Now I'm going to go into the KH1 folder because this is the game that I'm going to be adding scripts to. Next, you'll want to make an io_packages folder, which we'll be using in just a moment. Now, you can head to the second link in the description for the KHPC speedrun tools. Up here, you'll see all the different games and their corresponding mod folders. We're going to be modifying one final mix, so I'll go in there. In here, you'll find information about all the mods that are available here. The main thing you may be interested in is that these are the mods that are allowed for speedrunning: Hookship, Save Anywhere, Fast Camera, and 4x3. We're going to be installing Save Anywhere and Hookship. First, click in the scripts folder, and no matter which mods you are going to install, you need IO packages. So you'll want to download the file that corresponds with your version of the game. If you're not sure, you can just download all 3, and that's okay. So click on the file, and then up in the right next to raw, you will see download raw file. I'm going to do that for all 3, but again, you only need to do it for the version that you are playing. Once those 3 files are downloaded, you'll want to go back to your downloads folder, take those 3 files and put them in the IO packages folder we made a moment ago. So these 3, straight in there. Next, we can go back to the 1FM mods section and click the scripts folder, and then we find whatever scripts we want. I wanted 1FM Hookship. So up in the top right, download raw file. We'll go back. I also wanted 1FM Save Anywhere. Now we go back to our KH1 folder, which is in our scripts folder. And any Lua scripts you want to install, go directly in there. Now that that's done, we should actually be able to just boot the game. Load into Kingdom Hearts 1. Once you're on the title screen, you can press F2 on your keyboard and the Lua console should pop up, and you should be able to see all the scripts you installed. Here I can see the 1FM Hookship mod and the 1FM Save Anywhere mod. That's it. You can close this window again with F2. It's all done.